it's Bella's Playroom here, and today I am going to be playing Animal Jam again. This is actually part 5 because the last one that I said was part 5 was actually by accident because I thought it was part 5 because I thought I already made a part 4, so sorry. But anyways, if you didn't check the comments in the part 4 is actually on, so you could comment down below what do you think I should do for my next video, and also should I make a video of answering your questions about Scarlet or me? So yeah, and if you don't know who Scarlet is my little sister, and yeah. So I'm thinking of going inside here because I don't really remember what's in here, so let's go. And I think this is actually pretty new. It's an arcade! Cool! I didn't know they had an arcade. Ooh, I'm gonna play this one. Yes! Sorry if you hear background noises. Okay. Read the questions and guess if the answer is true or false. Then run to the correct area before the time is up. When you get a right answer, your gem multiplayer increases. Okay. Joining around in progress. Okay. So vampire bats are no. I don't know what that says, so I'm just gonna stay here. Since everybody's over here. Cause what? I don't even know what it says, so. Okay. Combo dragons can live to be 100 years old. I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna try one more time because black mambas are venomous. I guess. I know I haven't learned the books yet. Nice! I got it correct by guessing. Okay. Geckos have very hard skin, I think. Yeah. Nice. Got it correct again. Okay. Pigs are carnivores. No. I don't know what that means. Nice, I got it. It was false. Okay. Squirrels can communicate with their tails. No? I don't know. Oh. Well, I think that's it because I got 180 gems. Nice. Ooh, playing games is a great way to earn XP. Ooh, fast foodies! I love this game. I'm gonna play this game. I just love this game. Okay, let's see. I think I'm going to go to the theater. Oh, I definitely gotta change this. Okay. Oh. Ooh, okay. I just like to get ready, so I just put everything there. Okay. Oh, uh-oh. Oh no. This is hard. Uh-oh. Time is running out. Oh no. Oh no. Great. Uh, Great. Whoa. Good thing I have the drinks ready. Okay. Okay. Time to put that there because I know. Oh, one again. I'm gonna replay. Because I need either 2 points, because that would be okay, but 3 points is as high as I can get. So I'm going to try and go to that. Oh no. It's too much people. Okay. Hurry. Okay, popcorn, hurry. Okay. Just only one popcorn? Okay. That's good. That's good for me because that's good. I don't want it to take too long. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Sorry if my voice is a little different.
Yeah.
Okay. Gotta give them the popcorn with cheese. Give them all kind of flavors that I have of the drinks. Whew. Okay, two isn't bad. So menu, and let's go right over here. Okay, now I just need to do the 9, level 9. Okay. Okay, so a lollipop and one of these. Oh, oops. Wrong one. Oh no. Okay, hope she doesn't leave. Wait, is that she or he? I don't know. Okay. I gotta say I'm doing pretty good. I think. Okay. Oh no. Oh, she just appeared out of nowhere. Oh no. Oh, okay. Phew. This is hard. It's really hard. Okay. Some popcorn. Oh, I didn't put that in yet. Okay. Cupcake. Okay. Now the last thing is that thing that is cooking right now. I don't even know what it is, but okay. So a corn dog and popcorn with cheese and no cheese. Okay. I think she's the last customer. I think. Or is there one after her? Okay. Nice. Next level. This is going to be the last one. Okay. Oh gosh. That is too much. Looks like she's having a party. Okay. Okay, just one more. Okay. Oh, Ooh, that's fine. That is fine. I don't know. Okay. Okay, this is really hard. Oh, candy. Chalk. Okay. Here you go. Put the popcorn ready. And there you go. Okay. Thank you for the move. Okay. So here's the... And your cupcake. Give me one cupcake. Okay. Give me a cupcake. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Oh, one more. Okay. Here's your popcorn with cheese. Oh, I gotta get that cooked. Okay. Whew. Okay, here you go. Oh. Still cooking. Okay. There we go. Okay. Whew. Oh, nice. 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 I got 3 paws out. Okay. I'm just going to call them paws because I don't know what they are. I'm just going to call them paws because they look like paws. Because they are paws. Oh! Jeez. I did not come prepared for this. This is not good. This is very, very not good. Here, and here. Oh no. Up here. What is okay. Here, and here, and here. Wow, 4 chocolates. Here and here. Oh, right. What happened to this one, the middle one? It's still cooking, and I can't take the thing out. What is up with that? I think it's broken. Oh, it's broken. It's broken. It's broken. I don't know what I can say. They're both broken. Now we only have one. Okay. Yes, I want to quit. They're just all broken. Okay. Yes, I want to quit. I want to quit the game. Okay, now it's time to move to the next game. Or maybe I could just leave. Ooh, pizza. Pizza. Never mind, I want pizza. Nice, I got pizza. Pizza, nice.